Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D objects part 2. This video continues to look at various 3D objects and gives examples to show where they occur in real life. Now the first 3D object is a very popular one and it's called a cylinder. So you can see the shape. We have a circle on one side, a circle on the other, and they're joined beautifully by this curved face. Now cylinders in real life, these are very, very popular. They're cans and they hold all sorts of things from drinks to food or anything else, and you find them in supermarkets, etc. Most candles, as we know, are in the shape of a cylinder. And all sorts of pipes all around the world, whether they be made of metal, plastic or anything else, most of them are in the shape of a cylinder. Here's a cone. Now the base of a cone is a circle and it goes up to this sharp point here with a beautiful curve there. We're very familiar with cones. And in real life, perfect examples are party hats, ice cream cones, the road safety cones where workers put them on the road when they're doing some work, and the megaphone. So they're just 4 examples of objects that are shaped like cones in real life. The sphere. Think of a sphere as a perfect ball. In real life we have snooker balls. I think we all know about that. Basketballs. Ball bearings, which are very, very common in all types of machinery. And marbles. So they're all examples of spheres in real life. Now with respect to pyramids, there are all sorts of pyramids. You can have square pyramids, triangular pyramids, hexagonal pyramids, all sorts of pyramids, depending on the number of sides you have in the base. And remember, a pyramid goes up to a point or an apex. So some examples of pyramids in real life, and these are mainly square pyramids. We have the pyramids of Egypt, very, very famous indeed. Here's a house with a roof shaped like a pyramid. We have a tent here in the shape of a pyramid. The base approximates a square and it goes up to a point. And finally we have this beautiful lampshade which is also in the shape of a pyramid. So this video has looked at some basic 3D objects and has given some examples of where they occur in real life.